Okay, so today is ML day 8. So what I did today is going over the research paper self-rag. Okay, it's really simple. The rag part plus some reflection. Basically, there is rag and there is on-demand retrieval, like whenever we need to retrieve the document or not, and there is self-reflection. Okay, so if you want to just sum it up in a few words, like this part was very important. We basically generate some reflection tokens. Okay, so these are the reflection tokens, the four type of reflection token. Retrieve, whether retrieve or not is relevant, whether our like retrieve document is relevant or not, is supportive, is fully supported or not. This is the definition. Great. Same for is useful. Then whether our output is a useful response to the input. Great. And this was the algorithm. Okay, and I did a bit of hands-on on RAG. Basically, this was the coding part. Great. I used the Google Gemini embeddings. Great. ChromaDB. Okay, we printed out a size and all. We got a table. We invoked it. So from template. Okay, parser, LM. We piped the chain. We just invoked it. Okay, the context was not in the in the basically the document we provided. There was not answer of this question, so this is showing in this way. Okay, so there's another one, classification driven. Just going back to what is the difference. So this was like we have to decide whether we need to retrieve or not. If we need to retrieve, then retrieve, generate answer. If not, then just give answer from the basic LLM. Great. Okay, like power tool calling. I just implemented this part. I haven't read it in much detail. Okay, this is the part. Dude, yeah. I need to go through this code again. I just implemented this part last, the RAG power tool calling. Okay, so that's all for today. Bye bye.